Welcome. In front of me I have the Haylou RS5 and I'll go over unboxing along with a look at the watch itself. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. We have... oh wow. So typically this would cover a place where you need to cut to open it up, but this just opens up this way. Great. Oh boy. Anyway, inside we get the watch. Let's boot it up. Come on. There we go. That's a strong vibration. It has a rotating crown with a satisfying little clicking, which I'll be playing around just because it sounds nice. Maybe I can pick it up on the camera. Let's see. Anyway, so that was a little bit of a sound test. So here is the watch itself. It has actual weight to it, unlike the two other watches that I unboxed from them. We got a charging cable. It's a magnetic one that attaches at the back right over here. And we also have in a box additional strap. It's like, this is so rattly. Oh, it's the little thing moving back and forth here. Okay. The strap itself is just a Velcro one. There we go. Oh, and it's also a bit stretchy. Seems solid considering it's included in the box. And taking a look at the specifications, which will be at the back of this box. Let's close that up. We have a 2.01 inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 410 by 502, and AMOLED means that you will have pretty nice, like super deep blacks, or basically pixels off blacks, and vibrant, bright, colorful display right here. So that's a good thing. 150 workout modes, okay, Bluetooth calling, a voice assistant, 9-day battery life, 9 days for typical usage, and 20 days for basic usage, though it doesn't really specify basic. I assume the typical is probably with like some monitoring being enabled that come by default, and basic will probably be just time. Health monitoring, heart rate, blood oxygenation, and sleep monitoring. And there we go, that's about it. Now the watch connects to a proprietary application, Haylou one. So that's how you're going to be pairing it, and obviously whatever you get on the watch is all you get because it's not running Android, it's running their proprietary software, so whatever it comes with it, that's what you will be limited to. So with that out of the way, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.